They say you can't blame gravity for falling in love. But for most other falls, it's a safe bet that gravity's the culprit. When you work at height, there's always a risk of falling. It's one you need to take seriously if you don't want any nasty surprises on the job. Falling can happen in a split second and give you very little time to react. Falls can result in serious injury, including broken bones, trauma to the head, or even death. But the good news is, these injuries and fatalities are preventable. Fall hazards are almost always foreseeable. No one needs to suffer injury or fatality if hazards are controlled or eliminated before anyone gets hurt. As with all safety matters on the job, everyone has a part to play. This course covers OSHA guidance on fall prevention, including fall protection plans, using the correct protective equipment safely, and what specific training you need before working at height.